In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip pages in Bluebeam. If you've ever opened a PDF and discovered a page sideways or upside down, this simple workflow will set it right. The key is to rotate the actual pages, not just your viewing angle. Rotating the view only changes what you see on your screen, while rotating pages updates the document itself, so the orientation is correct for anyone who opens it. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once the file is open, look to the top of the window and click the document menu. From there, choose Rotate Pages. This opens a dedicated dialog that controls how the pages will be flipped. In the dialog, first choose your rotation direction. You'll see options for 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees. A 90-degree rotation turns the page a quarter turn. It's perfect for pages scanned sideways. A 180-degree rotation flips the page completely if it's upside down, and 270 degrees is a three-quarter turn, effectively the opposite of 90 degrees. If you aren't sure which one you need, think about which way the page currently leans. For example, if the text is running vertically from bottom to top, a 90-degree turn will likely fix it. If it's upside down, 180 degrees is the right call. And don't worry, if the result isn't what you expected, you can use undo to revert and try a different option. Next, decide where the rotation should apply. You can target just the current page if only one page is off, or choose multiple pages when an entire section was scanned the wrong way. This is especially helpful for drawing sets where a batch of sheets shares the same orientation issue. Picking multiple pages ensures consistency and saves you from repeating the action over and over. Once you've selected the direction and the page range, click OK. Bluebeam will process the changes right away, and you'll see the pages update in the document. Because this operation modifies the PDF itself, anyone you share the file with will see the corrected orientation. If you're working on important documents and want an extra layer of caution, consider making a copy of the file before you begin so you can always keep the original as is. That's all there is to it. Open the PDF, go to Document, choose Rotate Pages, pick your rotation angle, select your page range, and confirm. With this quick method, you can clean up misaligned PDFs in seconds and keep your sets easy to read and ready to share.